Okay guys, we're here in Rizal Street within Nani night market. A lot of people here. This is a very nice area. We need to cross the line here so that hindi tayo maipit-ipit. See guys, oh, the barbecue.
Boss, may free bulalo po po tayo. Sir, cow, not kalabaw, not pork, cow.
Okay guys, now there's a lot of food here.
Kumain kayo sir pag hindi mo nagustuhan.
Isaw. Okay guys, oh, there's too much here to eat. But later guys, I will buy. Oh, there's yan eh, college. Meron pong dito shake. Tingnan po guys. Ang daming mga shake dito. Meron din mga ukay-ukay. This area, mga ukay-ukay. Kung sino gusto magbili, punta kayo dito sa Rizal Street. Sa mura-mura lang po dito sa kanila. Meron tag 100. Half price 100 pesos only. Oh, there's too much people here to buy the ukay-ukay in this area. Medyo umuulan konti. Hindi masyado yung tao.
Matik na bro, matik na.
Oh, see guys, oh. Oh, there's a lot. Oh, for baby, for teenager, they have clothes. You know guys, they have here, what do you call this? Red ambulance. Is it the Red Cross here in this area. Oh, ang daming-dami dito. Oh guys, come here. Okay guys.
Yeah, pag
Continue to work. Continue to walk this area. Oh, too much leggings here. Just 25 pesos only. So, tag 10 pesos only. See guys? Oh, shoes. Pili na kayo dyan. Oh, this not expensive here because just only 25, 50 peso. You see guys? Oh, wow. Oh guys, in this area is Rizal Street, Zamboanga City. Okay, ay, may palawan pong shop dito. Pwede na kayo hanggang dito ng pera. Okay. Yan yun guys. Oh, ang haba. There's a lot. It's a very big area. in this Rizal Street. Oh. Oh, you still have student here. Okay. Oh, bags. Who wanna buy bag? Come here in Rizal Street. They have 25 only, 3 for 100. Oh, you see, guys? There's a lot of clothes. In this area is clothes sections. Okay. Then from the other side is a food area. But for now we're here in the clothes area. Hello? Musta? Okay lang? Saan ka nag-work? Ha? KCC? Okay, bye-bye. Okay. May kilala sa akin doon. Yung coworker ko dati. Wow, white clothes here. Accessories. There's a lot. Okay. Oh my god, it's too much clothes here. I need to go in this side. Next time I will come back here. You see, guys, oh. See if the baby's walking. So many people buy here in this area because it's not expensive. Only cheaper clothes. It's good budget. Budget muna tayo, guys. So, see? May mga tao. Ang dami, oh. Kahit ulan-ulan sila, oh. Nakarararampa pa rin sila, oh. Oh, now, this is food sections here. Hotdog, tempura. Mamaya na. Mamaya na, sir. Thank you. First time ako nakalalaag dito. Sige po. Mamaya po. Okay, guys. These are all food sections in this area. Hinahabol kami ng ulan dito. Now we walk only here in this area. Because on this area side, in this area, it's Paseo. And then from the other side, it's Fort Pilar. This also here, it's parking area. You see, this is a parking area. This one side. bangko ng sentral ng Pilipinas.
Yamutan. Yamutan.
Pasyal-pasyal muna tayo dito. Doon sa dulo. Nakatingin sila sa kanang manong.
Hey, brum brum.
We have broom broom. They said, yan broom broom broom. So we have broom 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 broom. Oh, wow, balloon. Okay, now we going. Oh, okay. Now we going inside of Paseo del Mar. Now we going to the entrance. I don't know what has ID or what. I don't know. Okay, now the guard here. Oh. Hello. ID po ba? Ano? Ay, nalapas. Salamat. Okay. Na? Wow. Big wow. I hope they have ship there. Ship. Ship. Barko. Now we go in this area. Some store is closed. Very nice area. That's a big area. Oh. What is that? It's a playground? I think it's the playground. Pasyalan nila dito. Oh, see guys. Lakat-lakat muna tayo for a while. A barcode. Oh, a lot of people in the barcode. Sa park. Oh, paseo. So guys, if you have a kids, you can bring your kids in this area. We have playground here. Di pa pala park. Playground di ay. Oh. Kaso walang bata dito. Kasi nga the rain starting. Bar. Oh, good. Nagbabanda sila dito, oh guys. Ah, mano-mano. Ah, they have combo here in mano-mano. Ah, Paseo del Mar. Paseo del Mar. Paseo area. Oh, what's this? Three spoon. This side is dark here, but it still have people here. They eat ice cream. They just relax. Oh. You know, guys, from that area, it's water. Oh, did you see, guys? That's water, guys. Okay. Ito kain dito, date sila dito. Okay, now it's time to walk. Nahiya na ako mag-usap dito, guys. Parang sira ulo ko dito. Parang nahiya ako dito sa mga tao dito. Very fresh air. Oh my god. Too much dating in this area. I need to change route. Oh. How can I get from there? That area. Earlier, guys, there's very a little babies there. Now, lot. Oh my god, they're enjoy.